Buffalo cauliflower bites. Start off with 2 cups of cauliflower, some Mrs. Dash seasoning, some extra virgin olive oil, all mixed in a bowl. You only need about a teaspoon of virgin oil. Once you have that all seasoned around, put your cauliflower in the oven, 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Grab a bowl, get your hot pepper sauce or your hot sauce, also some gluten-free flour. You can use cornstarch as well. You only need about a teaspoon of that. You need some salt. You can use sea salt or Himalayan salt. You need a half of teaspoon of that in this bowl as well. Also want to get some garlic powder. Of course, you can't go wrong with your garlic powder. Some paprika, some onion powder. Put it all together in the bowl. And then I got one special seasoning that I also added as well. Some red hot original seasoning. Sprinkle a little bit in that bowl. Stir it all around. You want it to kind of come to a smooth texture. Then also you want to heat that up a little bit so you can throw it in the microwave. It should come out looking something like this. Nice and smooth. Grab that cauliflower, add it to the bowl, stir it all around. Told you didn't need that much. Stir it all around until the cauliflower is completely covered with that. Then you want to put that back in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. It should come out nice and tasty like this. You won't even think about the fact that it's cauliflower. If you're like me and you don't like it, this is perfect. Like, share, save, and follow for more.